sometimes simple is best. Olive lives in Beckenham, in a 2-bedroom flat where she has storage heaters in every room. Her electric bills were high and the heating results were disappointing. Olive decided to replace her heaters and did her research, considering several companies. She finally came to London Electric Radiators because we were a local company and more reasonably priced than others she looked at. We asked her what features appealed to her and she said, "I liked the heaters, they looked nice, and the controls were easy to use." But it was the price and simple installation that made her the happiest. "Since getting the new heater, my bills are more reasonable and the flat is much warmer and homier," she says. Olive says she was particularly impressed with how simple and professional the process was. So even though cost and performance can be compelling factors when buying a new heater, sometimes simplicity wins the day. If you are a landlord or homeowner and are interested to know more about London Electric Radiators, call us on 020 8419 8345 or visit us online at www.londonelectricradiators.co.uk.